Hey, my name's Tony Williams. I'm from Polk County, Florida, CEO and founder of Impact Cleaning Professionals. I actually love Swept. It took me a while to get on board, but since I've seen the value, not only does it help me with my crew, help me managing my day-to-day operations, but it's actually helped me win a couple of accounts. Went into a bidding for an account. It was about 10 of us, narrowed it down to 3. And even though our bid was a little bit higher, because I gave him the Swept one-pager and showed him what Swept did and how we communicated, how we held our team accountable, and how they were able to be a part of what we were doing on Swept, that ultimately won us the account because of the organization and the efficiency of the process that the Swept program brings to our company. So, Mike, thanks to you and your team. We really appreciate what Swept is doing for our business and ultimately the cleaning industry.